hello everyone. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we are going to start the virtual class. And today for the first menu, we will make Kue Bugis. Today we are start to make a snack and dessert that is especially from Yogyakarta. So first is I will make a Bugis cake or Kue Bugis, and then the second one we will make snack from corn. We usually call it perkedel jagung or corn fritters. Without any further fuss, then we will make the first menu. Okay, so for the first ingredients, I have glutinous rice like this. It's about 150 grams of glutinous rice, and then 150 grams pumpkin. Before that, you have to prepare the pumpkin that is steamed pumpkin. I use the usual pumpkin like this, and I have already steamed it and measured for 150 grams. And then I also use coconut milk that I will warm a little bit. Later I will warm it, and then I will put it in the glutinous rice. And for the filling, I have fresh coconut grated for about 150 grams of coconut grated, and then 100 grams of sugar, and also I will add with pandan leaf. And now, first of all, I will make the filling first. The filling is made from coconut. We call it UNTI, and I will turn on the fire, medium fire, and then I will put about 50 milliliters of water. This and 100 grams of sugar, white sugar, and put in here. And also I will add 3 pandan leaf, like this, and fold it. And I put in the water and sugar. Stir a bit. So stir about 1 minute or until the sugar is already mixed in the water and melt. If you see that the sugar is melting, like this. If the sugar is already melting, so we can start to add the coconut like this. And stir again. And if you see that the water is already absorbed in the coconut grated, keep stirring, and the water is absorbed, and then we can start to add a half teaspoon of salt in here like this. And then I will stir again until the coconut becoming soft and smells good. And you can smell the pandan and also the coconut combined. So refreshing. So actually, if the filling you still have left of the filling, of the coconut filling, you can keep it in a jar You can place it in a jar, and then you keep in the refrigerator, and then you can use it in the next. If you want to make any snack like this, you can use it again. Something like this. And stir about 2 until 3 minutes until the water is dry and the coconut becoming soft. Keep stirring, because if you're not stirring well, it becoming a bit brown and bitter, and it's not good if the coconut is like overcooked. Okay, that you can see a little bit more that coconut is already done. If you want to replace the sugar with brown sugar or palm sugar, is all you can do. You can do also. The measure is almost the same. For 150 grams of coconut grated, you can add about 100 grams of white sugar or palm sugar. After the coconut, the filling is already set, and then I will put this aside, and then next we will make the dough. Here is the dough, and I will warm the coconut milk. Here I have 100 milliliters of coconut milk. Warm the coconut milk until it's simmering, just simmering, okay, not boil. And then like this. And for the pumpkin, smash the pumpkin, the steamed pumpkin like this, and then put it in the glutinous rice. Okay, after it's simmering, and then I will add half teaspoon of salt, and then I will mix the dough. Like this. And the next, I will add the coconut milk little by little, because if your steamed pumpkin have a lot of water, so you don't want the dough becoming too wet, so I will put it little by little until the dough becoming set and it can be rolled. Like this, and then I will add a little bit more, until the dough is not thickened in the bowl, and then you can roll it over, and after that we will divide into 10 grams to 15 grams. Until you can roll the dough like this into small chunks like this. This is about 10 to 15 grams. First, I will cover the plate with oil so the dough not becoming dry. Put about 1 tablespoon of oil into your plate and then cover it up. Just like this. And then I also have banana leaf. For banana leaf, you have to burn in the stove for a while. The technique is like this. Why should we have to burn it in the stove? Because so the banana leaf becoming a little bit soft and it's easy to fold. Like this. I will show it again. Be careful. Just like this. And then for the dough, put about 10 grams until or 15 grams of the dough, and then put the fillings in the middle of the dough like this. And roll it like this. And do it again until the dough is finished. So it becoming roll like this. We will finish it later, and I will show you how to fold to take in the banana leaf. First, make the triangle shape like this, and then make a count. And then put the dough in the middle of the cone like this, and then fold it. In the left side and it in the other side like this. And if it's too long, you can cut the leaf. And put it inside of the leaf like this. Okay, it's becoming like this. And put here. Before that, I will preparing the steamer. Here I'm using regular steamer. I will heat it first for about 2 minutes or until the smoke comes up, and then it's ready to put in the steamer, and then it's steam for about 20 minutes. And now we are ready to put in the steamer. Like this. And also the last one. And then we will wait for about 20 minutes. Okay. So after we have already waited for 20 minutes, so I will turn off the fire, and then we will check the result. Wow. And then I will take this in the plate like this, and I will show you the inside of the Kue Bugis. And you can see inside of the cake like this. And our Kue Bugis is done and it's ready to serve. And you can also have with coffee or tea or any kind of hot drink that you like. Okay. And now our Kue Bugis is done, and then we will go to the next menu, that is corn fritter, or usually we call it bakwan jagung.